And today we are on the second gameplay of, Subway Surfers. So as you can see, we have unlocked new characters! Yay! So I'm just going to review them with you. This is Tagbot, my favorite. I want to get Space Toy. Though that's expensive. Okay, we got Ninja. So first I'm going to play with Tagbot, then I'm going to play with Ninja. Then I'm going to play with Stacy. Then I'm going to play with Darkjack. Actually, I'm going to do those two in the third video, I mean. Sorry. Sorry for the last video, guys. It's terrible. Okay, so I'm gonna play with Tagbot. Seriously, ads? I hate ads. Let's play. You know what? Volume down. Ouch. I just love doing that for some reason. If only it didn't wake up the professor was probably speaking. Is he a professor or inspector or... No way. I'm terrible at this. It's that dog that always gets me. Just super smelling. And his... whatchamacallits. Ow. What? They're made of solid metal, Tagbot. Whatever. What? How did that hurt? See? Metal. Thought this would help. But not. It's still cool though. The robot. Cool little robot. Come on. So why is it so hard to get on top of the roof? I love being on the roofs. Is that what they are? Roofs? I mean, how did we end up in the subway station? And how do we end up with a robot? Like, where's he from? From Venice. I have no idea where that place is. Oh, yay. Completed that. I wonder what it gives you. Wish. Which it gives you something. Daily challenge complete. Yeah. Wish I can get some coins. Oh. Okay. Whoa. I'm so doubling up. Yeah. Pause. Okay, I'm back from that stupid ad. And let's play. This is a let's play. Yeah. So yeah. I'm terrible. Should I? Yeah, let's do that one. I don't care. Yeah, maybe I should stop talking now. Just make me on focus. Hey, jetpack. Let's go. I wonder how we collected those. They were like right behind us. We got them. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Ain't complaining no more. Get some coins. Cause you buy stuff like more characters and surfboards. Like, oh man, I can't get them more surfboards. I can't. Oh, whoa. Ooh, ooh, yay. At least we get something once we lose. Woohoo. So probably our best run so far. Ow. Seriously. Oh, dang. They keep getting higher. I ain't doubling up. I don't care, bud. Okay, these are the hoverboards. Yeah, I love these things. I love them. They're like my favorite part of the game. What's your favorite part of the game? Tell me in the comments below. Aw, ran out. Fine, check this out. Boom, boom. Dang it. Sorry for the wording, guys. So much fun. This might be our last one. Yeah, this is our last one. What does the 2 times do? No. Ah. What did they do? It says the opposite is by 2 times. Yeah, I wasted them all. They're just in midair now. It's so funny. It's like, ooh, ooh, jetpack! Oh, we went through the wall a bit there. Ew. Coins. I just love jumping over coins. Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do want to see more, please subscribe or like, or at least comment this video. Ooh. Yay, we got 3 keys. Oh. So, yeah. Guys, I'm sorry I'm going to have to end this video. If you want to see more, subscribe and do whatever I said. If you want to. I'm not forcing you. So, yeah. Goodbye.